Hi, my name is Farhan and I'm going to be talking about COVID-19. In this video, I will be talking about COVID-19, how it spreads, its symptoms, the precautions you can take to avoid it, and some misconceptions about this disease. Now, this is some basic information about COVID-19, which I think we all know. COVID-19 is also known as coronavirus. It originated in the central Chinese city of Wuhan earlier in this year. Since then, coronavirus has spread to almost every country in the world, and almost every country in the world has recorded infections. Big countries like the United States, Brazil, and India have been hit hard and have recorded millions of cases. How COVID-19 spreads. COVID-19 strains are spread from person to person through contaminated droplets from an infected person. So, for example, if someone is infected with COVID-19, he sneezes or he coughs, those droplets which come out of his mouth may land on someone else and may cause another person to get infected through those droplets. The second way is COVID-19 can also be spread through touching an infected surface. So, for example, if someone sneezes or someone coughs and is infected with COVID-19 and that lands on a particular surface and another person touches it, there's a chance that eventually that person might get infected with coronavirus. Precautions for COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. We've all heard that. This is why taking precautions from COVID-19 is essential. Some ways you can protect yourself, your family, and your friends from COVID-19 is listed below. Avoid shaking hands. This is very simple. You just don't shake hands with people. Instead, you can wave or nod. The reason for this is, as mentioned in the previous slide, um, coronavirus can spread through contact. So if someone is infected with COVID-19 and maybe he sneezes and maybe wipes his nose and then he uses that same hand to shake hands with you, there's a chance that you might get infected. Now maintain social distancing of 2 meters. This is essential because if you're in close contact with someone and you're in their vicinity for an extended period of time, there's a chance that you might get infected. Wash your hands with soap and water. And when you're outside, you don't have access to soap and water, use alcohol-based sanitizers to sanitize your hands, especially if you touch anything. And lastly, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth if you're outside in public and you happen to have touched something. This will prevent you from getting infected because there is a chance that maybe you might have touched something which had COVID-19 droplets on it, and you might touch yourself and you might get infected because you never know what might happen. Symptoms of COVID-19. Different people experience different symptoms of COVID-19 at different rates. You might know that some people, such as they experience mild symptoms, they have a mild illness and they recover. Other people have a very hard time, they have to get hospitalized, and for some people, unfortunately, it's fatal. Some of the most common symptoms of COVID-19 is fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Other symptoms of COVID-19 experienced by some patients include aches and pains, nasal congestions, runny nose, sore throat, or diarrhea. Now, these are some misconceptions about COVID-19 which have become common, unfortunately, especially, and they're being spread, especially through WhatsApp and other social media. Misconception number one. COVID-19 can spread through goods imported from countries which are recording cases. This is untrue. The World Health Organization says that the likelihood of becoming infected with COVID-19 from a commercial package is low, since it has likely traveled over several days and been exposed to different temperatures and conditions during transit. Misconception number two. Young people don't get infected. Although fatality rates are much lower for young people, they still can be infected. The World Health Organization advises people of all ages to take steps to protect themselves from the virus. And lastly, last misconception. COVID-19 does not spread in hot and humid climate. This is not true. There is no strong evidence to suggest heat and humidity stops the spread of COVID-19. Most countries in hot and humid climates continue to record increases in daily cases during the summer. And lastly, I would like to say that it's not over yet. It's been a while since the COVID-19 lockdowns were instituted, but don't put your guard down. Continue to take precautions. Many people aren't taking precautions anymore, and we can see the result. Countries from North America to Europe to Asia, they're all seeing a surge in COVID-19 cases, an increase in COVID-19 cases because people aren't taking precautions anymore. Remember, We all have a part to play in helping our community. If we all take precautions and act sincerely, we will eventually prevail and we will defeat the coronavirus eventually. Thank you and stay safe.